input channel connector rear consists of a combi combi XLR, which is obviously combination XLR quarter inch. The quarter inch, they're available for you to be able to bring in anything on quarter inch and use some of the mic characteristics. It has a 20 dB pad, and it feeds the mic pre. Above that is the mic insert jack. This is where you can actually insert your own output mic preamp or a line source, which when selected on the top will totally bypass the preamp stage. Above that you have the direct output. Again, the direct output can be fed both post fader, or it can be fed post return. So without using the insert, you can actually use the insert return feed to your tape output, or to your tape, or to your recording device, which can have effects on it, but you can also have what's going to the mix as a different source. Above that you have the channel insert, which is wired tip send ring return, and above that is your monitor input path and also your line input jack. All these are balanced inputs, as is the mic insert and the mic input. Direct output is balanced. The channel insert obviously tip, send, ring return unbalanced. Here we have the master rear panel. Again, quarter inch jacks and XLRs for your main left-right output. Main left-right output comes with its inserts. You got your 2-track 1 and 2-track 2 returns to the monitors, your studio playback, and your alternate speaker 1-2. And right here I have something plugged in to your main monitor outputs. Now, the main monitor outputs as well as the left-right outputs do have an option for transformers. By default, all outputs are driven with the That's Outsmarts chip, well-renowned output driver. Here we have the subgroup, I'm going to say connections. Basically you have your stereo effects returns, your monitor returns, your subgroup outputs, subgroup inserts, and the subgroup outputs, and underneath you have the auxiliary sends. And here is your power connection, and right next to it is your talkback mic, external talkback mic. We do have a panel here which would be used for any of our fader automation connections and stuff, where it's an optional panel that will carry all the connections to and from our automation and any other updates down the road.